Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to upload your website to Google. Now, when I take you to Google, let's just go to Google and I'll type my website name, my hosting name, Zina Hosting. You see, my website is here. You see that? So my website is uploaded to Google. Let me show you this. So I'll click on these three dots. And it's going to show you when this website was uploaded to Google. All right, so I uploaded this to Google some years back. Okay, so now let me show you how to also upload your website to Google. We call this Google indexing. Right now, if you type your website name, the one you get set up, it's not going to be on Google. It's going to be blank, nothing. You'll not see it on Google until you create it or you upload it onto Google. So the way we do that is, I want you to create an account with Google Webmasters. So just type Webmasters, Google Webmaster. Click on Google Webmaster and then click on developer. Okay, just click on this first link. Good. Now you can click here to get started. So click to get started. And click on Search Console. Welcome to your Search Console. This is where you upload your website to Google. So we use this to upload our website to Google. Just copy your website URL and then we're going to paste that here. So paste it here. Remove the HTTPS aspect and then click on continue. And it's going to scan. Good. So now what we're going to do is, there's a recommended way of doing it, which is here. So we're going through the cPanel route. Just log into your cPanel. So type Zina Hosting, type your hosting name / cPanel. Here type zones and then click on zone editor. Click on manage. Scroll down. Okay, so we're going to add our zone here. Click on this drop down and click on txt record. Let's copy this, come, and we're going to paste that here. Paste your domain name here and then click on save record, and our record is saved like this. Now let's click on verify and wait, and I think this time is going to work. So domain verification, domain name provider. So this is the quickest way to do that. Just click on go and that's it. Now the final step is to click on sitemaps and then enter your sitemap. Now how do we get our sitemap? Go to Google and type, okay, just type free sitemap generator and then click on this link. Enter your host name here. So I'll paste my host name. I'll put my host name here and then I'll click on start. This is going to give us a piece of code or a file for us to upload to our cPanel. Okay, and this sitemap helps Google understand how your website pages are being structured. It's used for crawling purposes. Google will be able to crawl your web pages, so wait patiently. Now while we wait, just come here, okay, and put sitemap.xml, okay, and then before we hit submit, we have to make sure this file is present in our cPanel. So come here and then go to file manager here. Good. So we'll be uploading that inside public_html here. This is where we'll be uploading it. It's still scanning because our website has a lot of pages. and that's from WHMCS. This tool will not allow website that has 500 pages or higher because we're on the free plan and we don't need those number of pages. All we need are our home page, our legal pages, about us page, our policy pages, and some basic pages. But this is going very intense with this, so it's going to time out once we reach 500. But what it will give us is more than enough. So get ready. Okay, good. So it's complete. So click on view sitemap, and then we're going to download this file. Just click here, download. Now I've downloaded this a couple of times in my tutorial videos. Okay, I create videos. I'm a content creator, so in those videos I showed people how to index websites. That's why you are seeing the 6, but don't worry about it. So we're going to upload it here into our public underscore HTML, and then I'll click on upload, and then we're going to upload this. Click on this link, and let's look for a sitemap file, which is here, but we're going to rename it in order to remove the 6. Remove, and then rename. Hello, before we go back to the tutorial, do you know this video you're watching right now is a part of my web hosting business setup masterclass? It is a program I set up to assist anyone looking to start, grow, and manage a web hosting business from home. In that masterclass, you learn how to set up your own hosting business, just like what you are seeing on your screen. Your users will click on buy hosting, pick one of your packages, and then place order. They are asked to enter their domain names. So they enter whatever domain they want to register, pick a TLD, weather.com, .net, .org, and then click on check. The system will check for this domain's availability, and if it's available, it will allow your users to proceed to buy this hosting and domain name. To learn more about the program, check the description of this video. That's enough. Let's go back to the tutorial. Now, go to your console. That's Google Search Console, and then we're going to now submit. So click on submit. This is an invalid path. Let me see. Okay, so we submit and then dismiss. So now it's supposed to start fetching. Good. Sitemap process successfully, and it has discovered how many? 500 pages. Excellent. We can now open this sitemap, and you see it's working fine. So at this point, you are done. You have to give Google some time, sometimes up to a month, to start seeing your website on Google. So when you now go to Google and type your website name, after some few weeks or a month, you should see your website here like this. All right. So that's how you upload your website to Google for users to be able to search for you. I hope you've learned some valuable lessons in this training. I would like to receive feedback from you about the course.